After a 2-week break, we have arrived here in Italy, and it's been 70 years since the Motocross World Championship has been to Imola. For the final round of the 2018 MXGP campaign, 250 people worked with 25,000 cubic meters of soil to prep a brand new track for everyone. In MX2, the battle for the title finished prematurely this week. Prado arrives here with a 46-point lead on Jonas, but the defending champ couldn't avoid having knee surgery and, frustratingly for him, will miss this final round. So, Jorge Prado is the 2018 MX2 World Champion. But don't forget to keep a close eye on those 3rd and 4th positions. It's pretty tight between TKO, his teammate Covington, and Watson. In MXGP, Herlings took his first MXGP title 2 weeks ago in Assen, and Cairoli secured a firm 2nd. But the battle for 3rd is not yet over. Mr. Consistent de Salle needs to watch his back, as 2-time world champ Tim Geiser is just 20 points behind and is going from strength to strength. Welcome to Imola for the final round of the 2018 Motocross World Championship, the MXGP of Italy. And don't forget the end of season promo, which includes this final round here in Italy, plus the Monster Energy FIM Motocross of Nations with a 70% discount. So don't miss out and enjoy.